and welcome to glittershinenails. Following on from my last video, BeautyBigBang very kindly sent me some stamping plates and flame stickers to swatch and review. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing stamping plates BeautyBigBang XL-038 and BeautyBigBang XL-039. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use on their website. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips. I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate, starting with BeautyBigBang XL-038. For the first swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip with a copper penny colour stamping polish. This whole colour combo and image would make a fantastic autumnal mandala mani that would look amazing as a whole mani. Such a pretty image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. As always with these longer images, I'm applying my 2 lines of polish just so that I can cover the whole image without flooding it. This image is stunning and it would look great in dark blues and silver as well. Beautiful. For the next swatch I'll be using a mustard coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. When I work with browns I like to work even quicker as they tend to dry really quickly. I'm also watching out for flyaway lines because this image is made up of them and they can and do come back onto the nail. But this whole colour combo and image is stunning. Moving on to BeautyBigBang XL-039, and for the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a coral stamping polish. I love images like this, very tribal looking. You could also add some colour to really make them stand out. The amount of detail in this image is amazing. I definitely want to create a mani using this image, it is just beautiful. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. I love line images like these. They are one of my favourites to use and they work with whatever colour combo you choose. When scraping I make sure I go in a few directions just so that I know that I've got all the lines covered. But I love this image. For the next swatch I'll be using a grey coloured nail tip along with a black stamping polish. With this image I'm turning the plate. When I use images with lines I like to scrape in the direction of the lines. You get a much better pickup. Again, I love this style of image. This has quite a grungy look to it, but I absolutely love it and I don't often use grey and black together, but it's beautiful again. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL-038 has 14 large images which are what I call pattern print. From the floral to the wood print to the zebra and mandala, they are all very pretty images and they're a really nice size as well. Again, the 2 open space images at the top swatched much better than I thought they would. I seem to be getting better at them, but I don't tend to use them in manis though. I've just used my usual stamper for these swatches and my favourite stamping polishes, which you'll see in the video section. They both work really well on BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I get really nice swatches all the time. There are some images that would work well together, like the 3 wood prints or the florals as well. I like plates that have patterns like these. They can make some really nice manis. As always, I've made a mani for each plate. I always like to do this. I really enjoy creating them. I did wonder if you could turn the dot image on the bottom row into a leopard print with that swatch. All you would need to do is to add some black lines around them, a very easy mani. As in my last video, you'll find the link to the whole set of 5 stamping plates on the BeautyBigBang website as well, as with the link to the flame stickers. They're all in the description box below. For the mani, I've gone quite dark using this khaki green gel polish as my base, and I've stamped in a midnight sparkly green stamping polish. With the pinky and the index, I've just taken a small swatch of the image for them. I think it adds something different to the mani. I was going to turn this matte, but because of the sparkle in the stamping polish, you wouldn't see it, so I decided not to. But I really do like this mani. BeautyBigBang XL-039 also has 14 large style pattern print images. Again, this is a very kind of me stamping plate. I love the grungy line images. I really enjoy creating them styles of manis, along with the leaf prints as well. Again, I don't think I've made a leaf print mani yet. Again, I went back and forth over what I wanted to do for my mani using XL-039. There's just so many images I wanted to use, and personally I don't think there is an image I wouldn't use. Again, these swatches gave me so much inspiration. I just wished I had more time on my hands to create even more manis than I do. In my next video, I'll be creating a mani using the flame stickers that BeautyBigBang also sent to me, so make sure you stay tuned for that video coming very soon. I love BeautyBigBang stamping plates, not only for their quality, but also they're purse friendly and very easy to use. As I said in my last video, anyone would be able to use them. I will be back to all 5 of these stamping plates in the future. They're a great set of stamping plates. From the lace and patterns, all 5 of these I can see being very popular. I absolutely loved creating these swatches and manis. BeautyBigBang are always bringing out new stamping plates, so make sure you're following them on their social media. For the mani, I've used a light blue gel polish for the base colour, and I've stamped in a dark metallic blue stamping polish. I've used the same image, but I've just turned the image around in different directions on the nail. I really like how this has turned out. I would 100% wear this any day. I love everything about it, from the colours to the image. It is just gorgeous. Love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!